Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear audience, good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming to this video. So in this video, I will show you about the simulation control of DC motor using full state feedback and also the linear quadratic regulator or LQR in MATLAB, in Simulink MATLAB. Okay. So we want to control the DC motor, the angular speed, using the full state feedback, or it can be called by integral state feedback or servo controller design. And we will tune the controller using the LQR or the linear quadratic regulator. This is simulation in the Simulink MATLAB. So what is the servo controller or the full state feedback, and also can be called by integral state feedback because there are integral here, and this is the state feedback. So we can call it integral state feedback. In the Ogata book, Modern Control Engineering, it can be named by servo controller, or another researcher is called full state feedback here because there are uh, integral control in this part. Okay, so this is the design of the controller. There are state feedback here, and then this is the integral control. This is the ABC system model. First, we must get the model of DC motor in the state space form in the matrix ABC, and then we can design this simulation or this system in the Simulink MATLAB. Okay, I have been prepared for the system. So there are A matrix and then B matrix and also C matrix here. So I want to compare the pole placement full state feedback uh, tuned by pole placement and then the full state feedback tuned by LQR. This is the DC motor model in the ABC matrix in the state space form. I use 2 times 2 state matrix, so just 2 times 2 state matrix, and then this is the sorry. So after we design the controller, we can get the system design, the new state space here. There are two states. The first is the X, and then the second is zeta here, or the error. The error between uh, the difference between the set point or the reference, and then the Y. This is the output. So the reference is set point, and also the output is the angular speed for the feedback. This is state feedback. All of state is calculated by state feedback again, and then this is just one state here. The feedback is only one state, and the state feedbacks is all of the state. So this is the two state here, x1 and also x2. The first state is angular speed, and then the second state is the uh, current. So you can get the DC motor model in the paper on the website. This is the new state. To calculate the state feedback gain and also the integral control gain, we can use the Ackermann formula in MATLAB or the LQR in MATLAB. So the command is this is Acker and also the LQR here. This is the DC motor model in the state space. This is the parameter. So you can write in your MATLAB, and then this is the new state with error state. So from the design here, you can make the new state here. I have been made it. This is the new state you can write in your edit or your editor MATLAB. And then firstly we will design the parameter controller using the pool placement here. So if we want to make the integral state feedback controller using the pool placement, we must determine the pole. This is the -3, -4, and also the -5. And then we can use the anchor command AA, comma PP, and also the pole. This is the new state that we input to this command, and then we can get the state feedback, full state feedback gain in the parameter k. The last of the gain is the integral control, and then the one and also the two is the state feedback gain. This is for the pole placement. So I will compare the pole placement here, and then uh, this is the below is the LKR design. So the second is about the LKR design. To use the LKR, we must determine the Q one O1 and then O10 or 00, and then this is 1000 here, and the variable, the R variable, is just one here. And then we can determine the state feedback gain using the LKR, full state feedback gain using the LKR by using this command LKR, and also the new A matrix, the new B matrix, and also the key and the R. And then we can determine uh, the K LKR using this command LKR. The last gain is the integral gain, and the one and the two, the first and the second is the LKR gain here. Okay, we will run this program to get the parameter, the full state feedback parameter. This is for the pole placement, and then this is for the LKR. This is the integral control gain. This is also the integral control gain. We must times by minus here, and it will be plus. Okay, and then we can simulate the simulation in the Simulink. Okay, the simulation is finished. Okay, we can see here, this is the set point on the reference in the blue lines, and then the zero is the pole placement, and then the orange line is the LKR uh, controller. Okay, we can change the parameter, perhaps the pole placement. We will change to be 10 here, -10 for the pole, and then we run the program again. Okay, we run the simulation. Okay, this is the result. We can see if the pole is negative, bigger negative, it will have the fast response here, and this is the orange is the LKR. We can change the parameter here by 10,000, and then we will play again. So this is the parameter. This is the parameter. Uh, okay, we will simulate again. Okay, this is the Zelo. The Zelo is have a better response than the orange, the LKR here. So we can change the parameter. If the parameter is more bigger for the LKR, it will give the fast response for the rest time, uh, and also the settling time. Or we can make the more negative value for the pole placement to get the more fast response. Okay, Okay, we can simulate again. Okay, this is the full state feedback controller using the polar placement, and this is the full state feedback controller using the OKR. So the response is good for the full state feedback, but there are chattering here. You can see the oscillation, a little bit oscillation. Okay, this is there are oscillation here. You can see the oscillation uh, for the pole placement here. Okay, so please, if you want to make the simulation, you can write the code here. And then this is the Simulink, MATLAB Simulink. This is the KE, and then this is the state feedback gain, the key. Please choose this second option for the matrix gain. Okay, this is also change the K times U here. This is the matrix C, and then this is matrix P. This is first option for the integral control gain. This is the integrator here, and then this is plus and minus. And also for the state feedback gain, this is minus plus and then the minus. Okay, so you can have a feedback here. This is the set point using constant is 100 RPM. Okay, please make in your Simulink MATLAB. This is the open loop simulation of DC motor. We will give the 12 voltage for the DC motor to see the response. You can see the DC motor angular speed is increased from the zero and stabilize in some angular speed. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry if I do a mistake in this video, and also I'm sorry for the noise. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, you can write in the comment. Uh, that's all from my material. I hope it can useful for you. Uh, See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Akhirul kalam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.